wonderful place where people could escape from their busy lives into a world where laughter was king. People from all over the world came to see this incredible, bright and dazzling world, created by a ringmaster and amazing performers with their breathtaking acts. What joy it was to see people's eyes light up when they were close enough to touch the artists and animals. But, like a breath, what rises up also falls down. As time passed, people could now see wild and astonishing things for the comfort of their home, and were less inclined to spend money on service tickets. Circus Straordinario, the greatest show on earth, began to wane in popularity and went out of business. Long gone are the days of the dancing girls, clowns, fearless animals, and the ringmasters. And so the time has come to find out whether the story of Circus Straordinario ends here or not. Will the next generation of circus performers stand up to save this service? Is this the final chapter or a new beginning? We're about to find out as we enter a world of hope and wonder.
I want to buy your circus.
You do?
Jawohl, und I have money. Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the world go round, it makes the world go round. A marke in the bank of a pound, a mark of a pound, a mark of a pound is all that makes the world go round. Sound.
I need artists. Oh!